Post-inspection seller strategies. Let's jump right into this explainer on what to expect after your buyer's home inspection. Seeing a massive inspection report is super overwhelming. But hey, take a deep breath. This is completely normal. Buyers will comb through general, termite, and specialty reports before handing you their formal request for repairs. Now, here's the secret. This request, it is absolutely not a mandatory to-do list. It's just a negotiation tool. They might ask for physical repairs, closing credits, price reductions, or a mix. So, you're standing at a crossroads. You basically have three main paths to choose from here. Option 1 is to just agree. This keeps things moving smoothly and stops the deal from falling apart. On the flip side is option 3. Decline it all. You aren't obligated, but the buyer might walk.
If they walk, you're back on the market, and guess what? Future buyers will raise those identical concerns.
That brings us to option 2, countering. This is definitely the most common approach, but it takes strategy. When countering, you're usually choosing between actually doing the physical repairs or just offering a financial credit. Doing repairs gives buyers total peace of mind, but then you're stuck managing all the contractors and costs. Plus, opening up walls is like a Pandora's box. You might uncover way bigger issues once work begins. Offering a credit, though, is so much cleaner and faster. 0 contractors for you to manage. It literally puts control right in the buyer's hands, and it massively drops your liability for any faulty workmanship. The catch? Lender limits can sometimes apply, or the buyer might just feel your credit isn't enough. So what's our takeaway? In most cases, offering that financial credit is the absolute most efficient path. The one exception? If an issue is major, safety-related, or required by lenders, physical repairs might be mandatory. It's like a giant puzzle. You have to strategize based on buyer motivation and the current market conditions. So, considering all this, how will you protect your bottom line while keeping this deal together?